Okay, now we're going to go ahead and finish up some examples from section 3.1. Next one we're going to look at is number 35. Excuse me, having some computer problems here. Tickets to the community theater cost $25 for adults and $5 for children. A total of 305 tickets were sold. For $6,025, how many tickets of each were sold? So we know that the total number of tickets, we'll say X is equal to the number of adults, Y is equal to the number of kids or children. So we know that 305 total tickets sold is equal to the number of adults, which is X, plus the number of children, which is Y. The next thing we know is that the total amount of money made is $6,025 is equal to the cost of $25 per ticket times each adult ticket, which is X, plus $5 for each child ticket, which is Y. Now what we can do here is to get this top equation to simplify. We can solve for it in terms of X, so we'll get X is equal to 305 minus Y. Now one thing we can do is just substitute everywhere we see this guy in our second equation. 6,025 is equal to 25 times 305 minus Y plus 5Y. I'm going to simplify this out. 6,025 is equal to 25 times 305. Don't know that off the top of my head, so 25 times 305 is equal to 7625. Minus 25Y plus 5Y. So in the next step I'm going to move this over to this side and add these two terms together. And 6525 plus, minus 6,025 is going to equal negative 1,600 is equal to negative 20Y. Divide both sides by negative 20. And Y turns out to equal 80 children ticket. To find out the number of adult tickets, we just got to go back to this original equation up here. And we can plug in Y is equal to 80, so X is the adult is equal to 305 minus 80. X is equal to 225 adult tickets. Done. Let's go scroll up. I do have a problem up here. Our last one we'll do is number 29, the mixture problem. How many pounds of cashew selling for $7.40 a pound must be mixed with 6 pounds of peanuts selling for $2.60 a pound to create a mixture that sells for $5.80 a pound? So we'll say, okay, we'll say X is equal to cashews. Okay. We'll say Y is equal to peanuts. We know that they're telling us 6 pounds of peanuts are going to be mixed in this final mixture. So we know that our final mixture price is going to be let's see, X is equal to X number of pounds of cashews times 7.40 a pound plus, in this case we know the amount of peanuts we're going to have. It's going to be 6 pounds of peanuts times 2.60 a pound have to equal 1 pound at $5.80. 581 times 5.80. Here we can just solve for X. So it's going to be 7.4X, 40 times X is equal to 6 times 620. Let's get our good old calculator out. 6 times 6, 2.6, I'm sorry. 6 times 2.6 is equal to 15.6. So we're going to have oops, I think I messed this up. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video, and I'm gonna work this problem out, and we're gonna do it on the last video of this section. But here's a good example of, hey, even me, the instructor, we can't do every problem right away. It takes some creativity sometimes and trial and error to go and solve problems. So, in the interest of trying to solve the problem, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video and try on a second time.